In this video, I will show how to get thank you template in Microsoft Word. So open Microsoft Word, then New. In suggested search, type thank you and search here. So you will find some ready to use template for this particular query, like thank you card, thank you certificate with emoji thank you card. So select any card which you like here and make changes. Like you like this certificate, select it, then create. Make changes, name, date, signature, and file and save it. So save as PDF or in another format. Also you can print and you can share and export. So this way you can create thank you certificate in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.